Apple is the biggest name in the technological industry. With many amazing products, Apple has very few competitors. Well, the man behind the success and rise of the company is Steve Jobs. He is regarded as one of the greatest entrepreneurs of all time and as an inspiration for many. Under his leadership, the company started to produce revolutionary technologies. Some of the most famous products are the iPhone and iPad. Due to the success of the company, the products are a symbol of economical status in the present generation. Who is Steve Jobs? Steve Jobs was an American inventor and entrepreneur who was the co-founder, chief executive, and chairman of Apple Computers, which became the biggest name in the technology sector. The company's product has dictated the evolution of modern technology. Steve was born in 1995 to two University of Wisconsin graduate students who gave him up for adoption. Since his childhood, Steve was smart but directionless. He had dropped out of college and started off experimenting with different sectors before co-founding Apple with Steve Wozniak in 1976. After that, Jobs left the company in 1985 and launched Pixar Animation Studios. Later on, after a decade, Jobs returned to the company. Steve Jobs, early days. Steve was born on February 24, 1955, in San Francisco, California. He lived in Mountain View, California. This place was later renamed the Silicon Valley. During his childhood, Jobs and his father worked on electronic equipment in the family garage. His father used to demonstrate to him how to take apart and reconstruct electronics. This hobby instilled confidence, tenacity, and mechanical prowess in Jobs. Therefore, the path to excellence started to off from his family's garage. Jobs was always an intelligent and innovative thinker since his childhood. However, his youth was struck in the quicksand of formal schooling education. Due to the boredom, he was a prankster during his days in elementary school, and hence, his fourth grade teacher needed to bribe him to study. He tested so well that the administrators wanted him to skip ahead to high school. However, his parents declined that offer. Post-high school, Steve enrolled at Reed College in Portland, Oregon. There too, he was frustrated and dropped out of college and spent the next year and a half dropping in on creative classes at the school. He had developed a love of typography during his struggling days. In 1974, Jobs took over the job of a video game designer with Atari. A few months later, he left the company and traveled to India. In the subcontinent, he with psychedelic drugs.